Your Excellency, lakini wasiwasi imeniingia sana sasa. Kwa sababu huko bunge mimi naona ya hofu sana. Kuna baa ingine hapo watu wanakaa paka saa 8 usiku. Haifungwi. Sasa na watoto wamelala saa 4. Sijui watoto ya bunge watakuwa namna gani. Nina wasiwasi sana. Na kama nataka kuleta motion ifungwe saa 4. Ili watu warudi nyumbani wafanye parenting, so that we can be like Mzee Edwin. Then the most interesting thing, Your Excellency, saa ile wamemaliza saa 8 wanasimama wanasema tuombe. Can we pray? Umeona watu wanaomba ndani ya bar. Nimeona tu ndani ya hii bunge yetu tu hapo kwa hii bar ile uliwacha. Wewe hujaingia, iko hapo kando pale kwa choo karibu yake. So hapo itabidi turekebishe kama wabunge. Your Excellency, yesterday the government has released the Economic Survey 2026. And for those who want to read keenly, leave alone what these papers are writing, the Economic Survey that was released yesterday has confirmed that the foundation of our economy is very strong. It has also proved that Kenya is the 3rd largest economy in Sub-Saharan Africa. Wako number 3. After South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya is number 3 in the whole of Sub-Saharan African countries. Najua wale wanapenda kuangalia mpira, Your Excellency, wanasema ukiwa 1, 2, 3 you qualify for UEFA Champions League. Ndio unaenda. People were just asking me yesterday whether tutakuwa Arsenal or Man City, which one are we going to be? But Kenya is doing very well, and the Economic Survey has brought out many things that Kenyans need to take very serious. Your Excellency, the Economic Survey has said that there is 25,000 roads that are being tarmacked in our country. 25,000 kilometers of road that are being tarmacked in our country. Production of maize has moved to almost 50 million bags. 1 million jobs was created last year. 1 million jobs in our country. It has also talked about the economy, because, Your Excellency, people think that this economy was in a good place when you took over. For us who have been in parliament, we know where we were because this economy was under serious debt distress. The last governments, the previous governments, the government of President Moi left no debt because nobody was giving him debt money. The government of President Kibaki left 1.8 trillion only. The last government, including the fake handshake that we were inside, we left 10 trillion to the country. Trillion kumi. There was no money for development. There was nothing. Now turning around and removing the country from that cesspit was not an easy task. So only a genius leader who's committed to his work will do that job, Your Excellency. And we must commend you for removing Kenyans from that cesspit to where they are today, where they're not worried about paying debts. I can see the media is comparing your term with the previous presidents, saying that the economy grew in your first year, in your second year, third year it has gone. You know, we still have many years to go. We have many years to go. So take your time and help this country, because when the economy grows, it grows for everyone. It doesn't grow for any community, for single community. It doesn't grow for one party. It grows for all Kenyans. Lastly, Your Excellency, sisi watu ambaye wako katika broad based, sisi tutakaa hapo. Hapo ndio baba alituacha. Kuna chura wanapiga kelele hapo kwa maji. Hiyo chura hawezi kuzuia ng'ombe kunywa maji. Usiwe na wasiwasi na hii chura inanguruma saa ile ng'ombe iko kwa mtoni. We will make sure that we stay in the broad based, because Your Excellency, for those of us who know Baba, because there are new prophets who have come up. Kuna manabii wamejitokeza wanasema wanajua Baba kushinda sisi. Mimi nimeshangaa iko mtu hapa Kenya anajua baba kushinda mimi. Ni Aida peke yake na ndugu yake Oburu. Mimi nilikuwa mtu yake mkono. Your Excellency, the plan you had with Baba for this country was very big. And that is what you are implementing as of today. You remember, Mr. Speaker, Your Excellency, when you had the last meeting with him and you discussed the National Infrastructure Fund, and he was very happy about it and encouraging you to do it. And you did exactly that. Sisi sio wajinga. Sisi sio wajinga. ODM will not go to the opposition to come back to government. It will stay in the government to form another government. Asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki.
Asante sana Junet. Thank you very much. Makosa tu ile umefanya, my bishop is here, na wewe unasema wabunge wanaenda ba. Ungesema wengine. Mimi tafadhali, unajua vizuri hujawahi kuniona huko. Na naongea maneno ya ba mbele ya my bishop. Hata sijui iko wapi. Nafikiri nitatafuta baadaye nijue iko wapi.